Can you see this? It's a beautiful gift, a reward that you got for being so brave on this journey and for making it to day 6. You've showed up for discomfort, for honesty, for the unknown. And today we are receiving the gift that came from all of this. Is that the new Nimbus 3000 or a new magic potion that you've got? Maybe you have the gown that makes you transparent and invisible. Sorry for my bad English. Now, the main question from me to you on this step is, what has grown inside me during this journey? I encourage you to catch the feeling, a feeling that something inside you, something new, has taken the place and is there, and you earned it. So let's take our materials and draw that beautiful reward that you got. Yesterday may have brought up something rough for you, so today we return to safety. So sit down, take a deep breath, let your body soften. Place your hands over your heart or your belly and gently say to yourself, it's okay, you are safe, you are held. Now ask yourself, what has grown in me during this journey? Something that I want to take home with me. Try to imagine it as a symbol. Notice its shape, colors, or any other details. Maybe it's glowing or moving. Now let's draw it. Draw a circle in your sketchbook. Start by sketching the symbol you imagined. Then let it grow on the page, however feels right. If you'd like some support, here are a few questions you can ask yourself. Where does the symbol live? What is around it? What is it for? And if you feel the need, like I did, you can even make a second drawing, imagining how the symbol evolves. So maybe it will be a flower that's fully bloomed, or a key that opens the door, or your own option, of course. Once you finish drawing, take a moment to reflect. First, as always, write down 5 words that describe what you see. For example, soft, mountain, fire, unfolding. Next, write a short poem from the drawing's perspective, starting with I am. Let it be a way for this part of you to speak. Finally, write a message of encouragement from your drawing to you. Something kind, something you need to hear. So this is your drawing, or even 2. The rewards you've got for being so honest with yourself and so brave. Keep it, you deserve it. Receiving this reward or a gift means that you have to be connected to that part of yourself that loves yourself. So it's okay if that was an uncomfortable step for you. You're on this journey, maybe it tells you something about yourself too. So just know this, just sit with this, and be kind to yourself. Allow yourself to receive this wonderful reward. I would be very curious to know if you had a symbol or a special shape or a word, whatever came to your mind, of your gift or your reward. What was it? Share in comments on YouTube, or join, if you haven't already on the day 6, join our Telegram group where you can share your drawings, you can get feedback from me and just chat with others. Thank you for being with me all 6 days on this journey. We have just 1 day left to be together and to explore ourselves through drawing.